Hi there, I'm Adam from Jim's IT Penrith. Today, I'm excited to show you how ChatGPT can be an incredible tool for teachers as well. Whether they're preparing a lesson plan, creating engaging content for the students, or just looking for new ideas for their teaching, ChatGPT can make their life a lot easier. Now, the reason I'm doing this video is because my brother's a teacher, and I thought I'd do this especially for him to show him where new technologies can be used. Now, first up, we're going to look at lesson plans. ChatGPT can help brainstorm and structure the lesson plans so easily. For example, if you're teaching a history class, you can ask ChatGPT for a detailed lesson plan. So if we now sort of jump over to my screen over here, now it says I'm reached my limit and I can't use the pro version for a couple more hours, which is absolutely fine. I don't really care. For this example, I'm going to say I am a teacher. I teach Year 5. I am looking to create a detailed lesson plan and for my students on pre-English history of Australia. So we pop that in, create a detailed lesson plan, and off it goes. So within a few keystrokes, it's gone in and it's creating a detailed lesson plan about pre-Australian history before the English came. And that, look at that, that has created a full detailed breakdown of everything. Look, I'm not a teacher. I don't know if this is right or wrong. If you're a teacher, please tell me whether the information that's just created is good or bad. So it tells us the materials that we need to create, handouts prepared in advance. It tells us what they actually get out of it. The lesson plan is catered for people of that age, and it tells you an idea of how long each of those components need to be. I guess if we put in there, this is a lesson plan for a full term, not just a day. What does that do? Does that make it any better? Oh, I just put just a day. Sorry, I mean a full term. Okay, so wow, look at that. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. So it's actually going through and creating a lot more detailed plan. Now, the great thing about ChatGPT is at the very end there we can say, thank you, can you please create a document to download? So ChatGPT then will go and create a document for us, and at the very bottom of all of this have a link to allow us to download that information. I think that's because I'm not actually in the paid version at the moment. If you're in the paid version, I can give you that link at the bottom. But look, it's pretty simple to copy it across. You just come up here and copy and paste all these things across. So we just go there, copy, and copy it in our favourite program. Now, we've done that. Now let's talk about creating engaging content. ChatGPT can also help you generate creative writing prompts, interesting facts, and even quiz questions. So you need a fun quiz with students. You can just chuck that in the ChatGPT. So let's say here, let's make a quiz for the students about questions. Again, I can't spell too well, but hey. So we'll go through there and create that quiz for you. This can be done on any topic. For example, at the moment, my daughter is in Year 5 and her teacher loves Harry Potter. So we could say in there, create a writing task for students that is related to Harry Potter. Again, comment on the spelling, it's absolutely fine. I'm dyslexic, so these things happen. There we go, I've asked it to do that. Imagine you've invented a new spell. Write a detailed description of the spell, including incantation. So it gave us 5 different prompts about the tasks that the students can use. So it makes life so much easier for teachers in that respect. GPT can also be a fantastic resource for answering students' questions and providing additional resources if the student asks a complex question and you just don't know the answer. Guys, you're teachers. Yeah, okay, you know bits about everything, but you can't know about everything. I work in IT, I don't know about it. So you can use ChatGPT to do that and get clear and precise answers to those questions. So you can come in here and say, when was the first recorded Western contact in Tasmania? And so it will shoot into there and will give us a detailed description of the first Western contact in Tasmania, and it occurred in the 17th century. And so it just helps you ask so many things. ChatGPT is a powerful, powerful tool. This is just touching the smallest base of what it can do for teachers. But guys, thanks so much for watching. If you've got any questions, want to learn more about ChatGPT, I'm going to keep doing a few more videos on ChatGPT and how it can help in your classroom, in anything that you do. Feel free to reach out to me. I'm Adam from Jim's IT Penrith, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tick that little bell icon and help me build my channel, guys. Look, my first goal is 100 subscribers, so if you can help me get there, that'd be great. Thanks, guys.